And welcome on what is a perfect day for football here at Goodison Park. I'm Derek Ray and I'm joined here on the gantry for commentary by Stuart Robson. And there are few more enjoyable days on the football calendar than opening day in the Premier League. It's Everton versus Southampton.
Well, the atmosphere is incredible inside the stadium, Derek. There's a real sense of optimism amongst the fans about the new season and what it might bring. It's been a long wait, but hopefully we get a great game to kick their campaigns off.
And dispossessed. Running with the ball confidently. And in the perfect position to read it. Well, some pretty big news coming through from one of the other games. Let's hear about it from Alex Scott.
Yes, it was a penalty for Watford. The keeper dived, but he hit it straight down the middle. An easy one.
And the keeper diving to thwart him. Let's see about the delivery. Well, they survived the attack. Well, it is without question a very special day. This his debut match. Stuart, what should we expect to see from him?
Well, they needed to strengthen between the posts, that's for sure. And with his natural agility, not to mention his ability to command the box, I think it's a very astute bit of business, Derek. He just needs a good start here.
It did look on for them, but not to be. Good pressure to regain possession. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? Romain Perrault. And news of a goal at Stamford Bridge. Alex Scott has all the information for us.
It's a goal for Palace. It's now 1-0 with 23 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Can they trouble the opposition this time? Really important piece of last-ditch defending. Oh, he's lost possession of the ball. Cross towards that far post. Well, there's a keeper on song.
Well, how did he stop that? That's just unbelievable.
Who's going to get on the end of it? Losing possession here. It's opening up for them. The ball with James Ward-Prowse. Ward-Prowse. Redmond. Well, we really have to call that a squandered opportunity, Stuart.
Well, what a waste that is. It's far too easy for the keeper. He should have made him work harder there.
Their possession game just not working properly. Can they take the lead? And the keeper more than equal to it. And over it comes. And they could face difficulties here. And no way through. And Gordon now. Well, they've won the ball back quickly. Could be troublesome. Surely! Can they slot it home? Able to clear the danger, at least for now. And the keeper showing tremendous command. Vitaly Mikolenko. Richarlison. Promising looking attack from Everton. Fed over towards the back post. Well, the only way to say it is he got it all horribly wrong, Stuart.
Well, he has to make the keeper work harder than that. That's a tame finish.
And with that, the first half draws to a close. The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Redmond. Good stop from the keeper. And short it is. Armstrong. He's lost it. Referees are rightly praised for giving advantage, but when there is no advantage, it has to be a free kick. Well, we've been wondering for a while now, would it happen for Manchester United? Now it has happened on the transfer front, Stuart.
Well, the figure that's being quoted is around...
Well, just centimetres over the bar with that powerful shot. Calvert-Lewin must take the lead here, and they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, as the replay shows us, this is the way to beat tight marking. Just look how he turns with the ball. That's a fantastic goal, you have to say.
So underway again here, 1-0 the score. Romeu. And we have more live Premier League action coming up for you soon on EA TV. It's Everton taking on Leeds United. Can he play it in? Redmond. Can they square the game? And not cleared away properly. And at the second time of asking, it's a goal. The keeper, meanwhile, looks to the heavens. So back underway. 1 goal apiece here. Now, interesting developments in the Chelsea game. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
It's a second goal for Crystal Palace. They're pulled ahead by 2 with 65 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex.
Owen, happy birthday from your friend Jonathan Fish.
Redmond. Well, can they be creative from here? And the problem not completely solved. Romain Perrault. Played into the box. And it wasn't quite as good as it looked when it left the boot. Redmond. And options in the centre. Now the teams are locked together. Will it stay that way following this corner? Played over, and the keeper has possession of it. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Southampton facing Manchester United.
Well, that should be a really good game between...
A wonderful save to keep it level.
That's a wonderful save. He was so alert there.
Short corner it is. Could be troublesome. And a goal! At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their supporters.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Salisu. Ward-Prowse. Romeu. And the minutes are ticking away. Can Everton get over the line?
Oh, big moment here, Derek.